A query can first store the entire result set into memory and then use a for loop to process each item. Alternatively, it can stream each result into a for each loop one by one. We can examine both these possibilities in this tutorial. A query that evaluates to a list or array buffers the entire result set into memory. Consider this code that uses the toArray method to obtain an array of items. This causes the entire result set to be buffered into memory. It might be faster and efficient if the count of items is small. But if the number of items is large and each item is heavy, then it will have a memory overhead. Memory requirements could increase, leading to a fall in performance. So you should be aware of a possible pitfall when you use toList and toArray methods. If your result set is large, then streaming will be a better option. Consider this code that will stream the items one by one. The query identifier, it obtains an iQueryable by using the where operator. The for each loop streams each item one by one. This will be very efficient if the number of items is very large. Streaming has a fixed overhead, so it doesn't matter whether we stream one single item or we stream thousands of them. Hence, streaming is not an every-time solution. It is more suitable if your query is expected to return many items. However, if your query is expected to return a fewer items, then buffering would be better. Sometimes your query is built with a chain of operators. It could be more efficient to use as enumerable to stream each item before it is processed by subsequent operators. Let's take an example. In this query, a subset of items is first obtained by using a where operator, and then a function called myFunction has to be called on each item. So we have a chain of two where operators. There might be a memory overhead if we extract all the results of the first where operator into a list and then call the next where operator on the list so obtained. So it might in fact be optimal if we use as enumerable to first obtain a stream and then call myFunction one by one. So these are the subtle things that you can keep in mind. Thank you.